Hello, and welcome to Great Garden. Most orchid growers make the same mistake, using too much chemical fertilizer whenever their plants look weak or the leaves turn yellow. In reality, that's completely unnecessary. In today's video, I'll share with you a natural, safe, and gentle care formula that anyone can make right at home. After years of applying this method, the results have been truly amazing. Strong, healthy roots, thick and white lush, glossy leaves full of vitality, and especially, long flower spikes with blooms that open evenly and radiantly, filling your garden with vibrant color and life. Now, let's get started. To make this type of fertilizer, I first pour 500 milliliters of boiling water into a glass cup, like this. The ingredient I use in this formula is turmeric powder, something every household has. Next, I add 1 spoonful of turmeric powder into the cup of water and stir until all the active compounds in the turmeric are completely dissolved. Next, stir well to let the mixture dissolve completely. Turmeric powder is an essential ingredient in orchid care. It has natural antibacterial properties and is rich in nutrients. Finally, cover the cup and let it sit for about 1 hour until the solution cools down completely. In the meantime, I'll prepare the next ingredient, garlic. Garlic has excellent antibacterial and disinfecting properties that help protect the plant. Here, I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. I'll start by peeling each clove just like this. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then, slice the garlic cloves into small pieces. This helps release their natural antibacterial and disinfecting properties more effectively. Next, add all the sliced garlic into the cup. Finally, add 500 milliliters of boiling water. Cover the cup and let the mixture sit for 1 hour. Before applying fertilizer, water the plant first. If the growing medium is too dry, the roots won't be able to absorb nutrients properly, making it difficult for the plant to recover. Pre-watering helps the roots develop better and allows the orchid to recover faster. After watering, let the plant rest so it can fully absorb the moisture. When the roots have absorbed enough water, they will turn green like this at this point. You can safely apply the fertilizer without any issues. Repeat the same process for the other plants, ensuring each one has absorbed enough water before fertilizing. After 1 hour, once the turmeric mixture has cooled, strain out the solids and sediment, keeping only the clear liquid. This liquid is the organic fertilizer that you will use to water the plants. Do the same with the garlic infusion. Strain out the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. Here, I'll combine it with the turmeric solution, allowing the two liquids to blend together. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. And that's it. The mixture is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchid right away. Method 1. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Next, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid's leaves. When wiping the leaves, dust and residues on the surface are removed, allowing the leaves to absorb light more efficiently for photosynthesis. At the same time, it helps prevent the intrusion of bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. Moreover, turmeric and garlic contain natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, along with essential vitamins and minerals which enhance leaf vitality, support metabolism, and improve the plant's natural disease resistance. Remember to wipe both sides of the leaves evenly with the diluted turmeric and garlic solution so that the nutrients penetrate deeply, helping the leaves become strong, thick, and naturally glossy. This method should be performed 1 to 2 times per week to keep the leaves clean, boost photosynthesis, reduce fungal problems, and support sustainable growth without damaging the leaf tissue. Method 2. Root watering. I'll pour the turmeric and garlic solution into a watering can. Then, I start watering around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides a rich natural source of nutrients from turmeric and garlic, but also supplies natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, antioxidants, and minerals from these ingredients. These elements stimulate root growth, nourish glossy green leaves, and boost the plant's natural resistance. Turmeric and garlic are rich in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace minerals, which help the plant absorb nutrients effectively, restore vitality, and promote overall growth. At the same time, the natural compounds in turmeric and garlic help reduce fungal problems, improve aeration in the growing medium, and create a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms. It's recommended to water regularly once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a stable nutrient supply for the plant. When watering, apply evenly and gently, avoiding excessive water accumulation, so the roots can absorb nutrients well. The medium remains aerated, and the risk of fungal infections is minimized. Method 3. Mist spraying. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Misting the turmeric and garlic solution allows the natural nutrients, minerals, and antibacterial antifungal compounds to evenly coat all parts of the plant, creating a natural protective layer. This helps the plant stay healthy and reduces attacks from bacteria, fungi, and pests. Be sure to spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution penetrates deeply and evenly, cleaning the leaves, enhancing photosynthesis, and stimulating vigorous growth. This method should be applied once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After each misting, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the roots and leaves to fully absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton pad. This step is very important because standing water can create a favorable environment for fungal growth. By drying the leaves, you actively prevent harmful agents, reduce the risk of leaf or shoot rot, and keep the orchid healthy with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. In addition to orchids, you can also mist anthuriums. Spray gently around the base of the anthurium. The turmeric and garlic solution, when misted, provides essential nutrients directly to the roots, helping them stay strong and absorb efficiently. At the same time, it helps the plant resist fungi, bacteria, and pests from the base, stimulates uniform growth of new shoots and flower spikes, and promotes longer-lasting blooms. During the recovery period, mist once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a stable nutrient supply for the plant. For anthuriums, since the leaves are thicker and tougher than orchids, there's no need to wipe the leaves after spraying. The nutrients from the mist will naturally penetrate and nourish the plant directly. Results after 2 months. The orchid's leaves are deep green, glossy and thick, with new leaves emerging full of vitality, efficiently photosynthesizing to nourish all the young shoots. The root system has grown vigorously, producing many new, plump white roots that firmly anchor into the growing medium, enhancing water and nutrient absorption, and promoting overall plant health. Notably, flower buds and spikes are developing evenly and robustly, ready to form vibrant blooms. The flower buds appear in abundance, large, brightly colored, and long-lasting, opening in succession to create a pot of orchids full of life and color for several weeks. This is a well-deserved reward for consistent care. When nurtured properly, the orchid responds with abundant vitality and naturally stunning flowers. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.